We are in Positano in Amalfi Coast. Now I've been seeing people with this ice cream in lemon. See, look at this lemon. It's big. Now, there's the place where I got it. Right? And let me see and try what will be the taste. Will it be sweet or will it be sour?
That's why I'm headed up that way.
The Bedic. It is really sour, but you know, it's worth trying. A good experience while you are in the Amalfi Coast. Lemon sorbeto in limon. Excellent.